Plant a tree, so that next generation can get oxygen for free. Sue me, please not cut me. I'm a very important to everyone. I give us food, vegetables, shelter, medicines, and oxygen with the life to life. But you want the money by destroying buildings. So alert! Without money you can stay, but without oxygen you cannot stay. So please save tree, save life. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.